Hi, this is Carol from the Carol Show, and today I'm going to show you my morning routine. MATRIXYL, 10%. And I'm going to use niacinimide. I usually use whatever is around me, whatever I have available. And then for moisturizer, I'm going to use this primer, Bright Side by MILANI. And give myself a little massage. And lymph drainage, and then I'm going to put on sunscreen, the BIOSSANCE, it's squalene and zinc. It's a sheer mineral sunscreen, but I'm going to let that soak in and go on to the eye makeup. All right, I'm going to use the CC cream and then the Yves Saint Laurent All Hours. I'm going to use this foundation brush and put the CC illuminator in medium. It's got SPF 50 and it makes a good base for your makeup. I'm going to take some All Hours and I'm going to take a little bit of NYX in Olive. And you see that? And it makes two different color dots. It gets the color right. This brush is excellent. I love it. Now, I don't have my eye primer, so I'm just going to put a little of the makeup there. So here we have a blank canvas. Nothing pops out. Nothing pops out on my face. Brand new. Woo-hoo-hoo. With NYX brown pencil. This one is Bronze by NYX. It's my favorite pencils. And you don't have to sharpen them because they're mechanical. Going to put a little of my selfie powder right where I want to put the blush. I'm going to put some contour. This is the e.l.f. Lip Plumping Gloss. I take this Brow Precise Perfecting Highlighter and just go like that.
It's unlike any highlighter. It's a cross between a concealer and a magic stick. It's a magic stick.
Now the eyebrows. I'm going to, I'll shut the camera off, but I just want to show you. What I usually do is powder it, wipe it, powder it, because you see it's so greasy now, nothing will stick. And then I'm going to use this Wonder Brow in Blonde, and the easiest way for it to go on is when you go backwards, and then you go forward. You could use the pencil first as an outline, and then put this on so it doesn't move. But if it's too greasy, it's not going to stay. It's not going to grab. I'll put my brows on. Now I'm putting my selfie powder to marry everything. Oh, mascara. Something was missing. Okay, I'll do my trick. And I go this way. And this way. Back and forth. Oh, where you kind of mess them all up. Underneath. And now pull them up and to the right. And then down. And you could add to it hours later, like the MAC mascara. I think they invented it. No, Essence has always been like this. MAC has a mascara that they claim you could keep adding. You could do that with this. Take a cotton ball or a Q-tip. It's so much easier than blending. It just gets blending done in 2 seconds. Look, boop, boop. That's it. Oh, I have something else here. This is Wonder Swipe by Rimmel. Shake it up. And see the color? It's kind of like a coppery gold. I just put it like here, right above the line, just to give it a little twinkle. You notice I didn't put any eyeshadow on my eyelids. It's just too much. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. I hope you got a few tips and tricks, and everything that I used will be listed down below. And if you haven't subscribed, you can hit the little bell and the subscribe. I would love it. And remember, I'm here for you, and thank you for being here for me. Mwah. I love you.